was Blue Bossa by Kenny Dorham. In this video, we're going over the melody, and towards the end I'll take you through the chord changes as well. I also have a video that includes a chord melody arrangement, so you can check that out as well if you're interested. I'll put a link down in the description. So next up, we're going to play this again, and we'll have the Guitar Pro neck diagram as well as the notation running along with the music. After that, I'll take you through the melody step by step, and then I'll take you through the basic chords and the changes to it. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me out. Let me know how you're doing too in the comments section, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos or live streams. Okay, let's get started. Now that we've played through this again, let's work on the step-by-step. We're starting out here in position 5. We're going to play G, string 4, fret 5, and then string 2, fret 8. Staying on the same string, 6, moving to string 3, 8, 7, 5. Then we're moving to string 4, fret 8, and 6. We're going to move over to string 2, fret 8, and 6. And so that's the first phrase. Now we have a very similar rhythm. We're in position 3. So 6, 4, 3 on string 2. And then we have string 3, fret 5, and fret 3. Moving over to string 4, 6, and 5. Moving to string 2, 6, and 4. Okay, we're going to position 1, finger 4, string 2. 4, 2, 1, those are the frets. String 3, fret 3, and string 3, fret 1. We're moving up to position 3. We're going to play fret 4, and then 3 on string 4. String 3, fret 3, and string 4, fret 6. Here I'm moving up to position 5. Play fret 6, 5, 8, 6, 5, 8, and then 6, 5. Then we play it all again. Some of these notes are going to be short. So the very first one is going to be short, and then long. Okay, so some of those will be a little bit staccato. Okay, string 2. So I'll go through this a little quicker this time. It's the same thing. Position 3. Okay, so that's strings 2 through 3, and then string 4, and string 2. Okay, so position 1. Okay, going over to fret 4. I'm changing position. And then position 5. Okay, so that's the basic melody. Once you get this down, listen to a few different recordings and start to play around maybe with the rhythm and some phrasing options, but this will serve as a good starting point, a good reference for you. Let's talk about the chord changes. We can play C minor 7 or C minor 6. Then we go into F minor, and then D minor 7, flat 5, over to G7, or G7, flat 13, into C minor, C minor 7. Then we go to E flat minor, changing keys here, 2, 5, and D flat, A flat, and D flat major, major 7. And then we have D minor 7 flat 5 to C minor. And in the recording here, I'm putting another 2-5 motion into it at the end. You can also try just playing just the 5. And also on this particular recording, prior to the C minor, I'm going a little bit back and forth between the D minor 7 to the G7, like kind of like that. I'm not using these voicings, but these are the basic voicings for it. All right, so that should give you a really good handle on this tune, melody and the basic chords. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need more help with this tune or others, visit fretprints.com and sign up for a free trial to my membership area. We have interactive sessions, interactive exercises, videos, and more. Well, enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.